The very first video that we put out on YouTube made us more than $250 with just one video, and we had 0 subscribers. Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online in Kenya, and we also talk about innovation and digital entrepreneurship. So if that type of content floats your boat, go ahead and subscribe right away, and don't forget to hit the like button after this video, or even right now if you like that kind of content. So we're diving right in without wasting any time. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 2 ways that we found for you that you can make money online in Kenya through M-PESA. Now, this is something that we have been coming across a lot. Several people have sent us messages wanting to know what are the techniques, what are the methods, which ways can you use to make money online in Kenya through M-PESA. And I get the question, it's a legit question, because a lot of people, don't want to spend a lot of time trying to figure out other payment, methods. And also they're looking for things that are local. And so I get that. So M-PESA, this means that you're going to be paid directly to your mobile phone.
It's real simple, it's real easy, it's convenient,
And if you missed our previous video on how to make money with just your phone in Kenya, definitely go ahead and check that out after watching this. So we have 2 different apps that you can use to make money online in Kenya through M-PESA, and these apps have literally blown my mind away. The first platform is called wowzi. Now, in a nutshell, or even before I get into, telling you what wowzi is all about, man, let me take my hat off to the developers and also the CEO and the founders of this platform, because they have done a magnificent job. The user interface is amazing. The user experience is just awesome. It's a really clean finish, and the app works perfectly. You can get everything you need. You don't have to struggle. It's not one of those apps that's gonna give you a difficult time. So wowzi is simply an app that allows, it connects businesses and social media users. Now, the problem that they were trying to solve when they created wowzi, according to me, and I believe according also to the founders, is the problem of advertising and unemployment. People are trying to figure out how to make money, but businesses also want to find out how they can make more money. And so wowzi is the perfect solution, not just for Kenya, but also it's a global business model, and it enables businesses and social media users to get what they want. So if you are on the side of the social media user, what happens is you sign up for the platform and you will get paid by the businesses to advertise on your social media platforms. So basically, right now they are allowing you to sign up from as few as 200 or 250 followers. And the platforms are Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you have those social media accounts, don't just post your memes and everything else and not use them to earn. This is the perfect time to make use of your social media platforms. This is the perfect time to make use of any social network that you're on to make money. So when you sign up for the platform, you will need to include your phone number. They will be sending you notifications whenever there's a job that is uploaded on the platform, and they will also require you to link all these social media platforms that I have mentioned to the site so that you're able to earn. Okay. Now, on the side of the SME, or on the side of the business owners, what happens is wowzi has done something completely brilliant, and they have a dashboard for the businesses and for the brands that is not on the application, but it's on desktop, and it's like it's web based, okay? So they're able to, create campaign, they're able to send out campaigns or jobs that they want social media influencers to do for them, things that they want you to advertise. And this is the perfect way for you to earn from home, just using your social media accounts, and you already have those. Now, Wowzi is relatively new. I believe it was launched in 2019. So there are not so many users and there are not so many people who know about it. And that is the perfect advantage for you that is listening to me right now. Because if you go on YouTube at the time of this recording, there are very few videos of anyone talking about Wowzi. If you want to make the big bucks, you have to catch the wave early, okay? You have to catch this wave as early as possible. So immediately after watching this video, make sure you get over to the Play Store and download the Wowzi application. I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description box, just so that you can get there easier and faster and start earning with this thing, because the quicker you get on this platform, the better it becomes, or the easier it becomes for you to familiarize yourself with everything around it. And the brands, once the brands get on there and there's just a few people on the platform, you're going to be getting most of the jobs. So you definitely want to check out Wowzi. Now, also, I've forgotten to mention, there are different levels of influencers. According to Wowzi, there's micro influencers, there's meta influencers, there's super influencers, and there's, they had this whole list. I'm gonna, pop that up on the screen for you. And this is really great because it allows you to start earning from whichever level of influencing that you are at. And I just think that is amazing. So shout out to them once again. And now on to the second platform that we have for you. Now, this platform, you might have already heard about it, but maybe you haven't. And so if you're enjoying this content so far, go ahead and, like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that, and leave us a comment down in the comment section, because it helps us to share this video to a wider audience. Now, the second platform is known as cashchat. Yeah, I believe it's cashchat, and it's from Bold Cashers. Now, most of you already know about Bold Cashers. This was the very first video that we put out on YouTube. And guess what? The very first video that we put out on YouTube made us more than $250 with just one video, and we had 0 subscribers. It's really possible to make money online on YouTube. This was way before we had 1,000 subscribers without Google AdSense. So many people are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and they're doing all kinds of dubious things.
Stop wasting your time, stop wasting your good time, because that is where you go wrong.
The best way to make money on YouTube is through sharing quality, valuable information with people, and being smart about how to go about that. So Bold Cashers was the first video we put out on YouTube. And if you don't know what Bold Cashers is or what it's all about, I'm leaving a card to that in the top right corner. Check it out after this video, or you can check it out in the description box below. I will leave a link so that you can go and check that video out and find out more about them and how you can make money with Bold Cashers. Now, cashchat is not the same. It's from the same company, but it's not quite like Bold Cashers. Okay, cashchat is it's kind of like WhatsApp. Okay, cashchat is kind of like WhatsApp. You can message your friends. You can call them via internet. You can send videos. You can upload memes. You can upload memes to your stories. You can upload pictures to your stories. It's pretty much like WhatsApp. But the best thing about it is that it's helping you to make money with the audience that you already have. And this is what makes it so similar to Wowzi. This is something that you can use to start making money online in Kenya through M-PESA, because they send the money directly out to your M-PESA and you can withdraw that money easily. Or, well, they send it to your Bold Cashier's wallet and then you can withdraw it to your M-PESA at any time. So signing up is the process for signing up. I'm also going to leave links down in the description so that you can check that out. But let me just explain how it works. So they have the app that users use, and there's several people already using this in Uganda, because this company, I believe they're based in Uganda, but they are available in East Africa, and Kenya is one of those places that they're available. So they have two sides to it. The first side is the app. The second side of the platform is for the businesses and for the brands. And you get your own dashboard where you can advertise. So this is another way, if you're a business person or if you're an SME and you've been looking for an easy way to advertise, cashchat will definitely work for you. And the platform is so easy. Guess what? You can even run ads from your mobile phone. I tried doing it the other day and I'm gonna pop that up on the screen so that you can check that out. So this is definitely something you want to check out. Again, not so many people are doing this in Kenya and very few people have caught the wind of this. So get on it, start riding that wave as soon as right now, because if you're trying to make money and you don't want, not that you don't want, you're not monetized on YouTube yet because of, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. This is the perfect method because you don't need to have all of that. You don't need to have 4,000 watch hours. You can easily start making money with cashchat by sharing stories, sharing memes, sharing all of that, and allowing advertisers to advertise in between your stories and in between your statuses on their platforms. So those are the two methods that we have for you. These are the two ways that you can use to start making money online in Kenya through M-PESA, and both of them are apps. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment down in the comment section. Let us know what you guys want to hear about, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good one.